Good morning, students. Come back to maths class. The chapter is a straight line. Okay. Now, last session we have discussed the angle between two lines. Angle between two lines whose slopes are m1 and m2. Now, tan theta is equal to what? Modulus of m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Okay, this is angle between two lines. Next, we'll discuss 3 points are collinear. 3 points are collinear. Okay, now on the same line, A point, B point, C point. Now, slope of a line. Using the concept of slope of a line is slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Okay, slope of AB equal to slope of BC means what? 3 points are collinear. Okay, now 3 points are given. Show that A, B, C are collinear using the concept of a slope of line. Now you have to find out slope of A and slope of BC. Now you have to equal. Then slope of AB equal to slope of BC means what? 3 points are collinear. Okay, next we'll discuss the problems based on slope of a line joining the 2 points A and B. Now using slope of a line y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Now two lines are parallel and two lines are perpendicular. Then two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Two lines are perpendicular, then the product of the slopes is -1. Okay, next angle between two lines. Next 3 points are collinear. Now discuss the problems. Exercise. Before that, another 2-3 problems. Solve examples are there. First question. Three points. 3 points. 3 points. P of h comma k, Q of x1 comma y1, and R of x2 comma y2 lie on a line. Show that h minus x1 into y2 minus y1 equal to k minus y1 into x minus x1. x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. Solution. 3 points P, Q, R lie on a line. Lie on a line means what? Collinear and the same line and the same straight line. This one is P point, Q point, R point. These 3 points are collinear because lie on a line. Okay, since the given points P, Q, R are collinear. I am telling previous class. A, B, C are collinear. ABC replace P12 points are given. Okay, 3 points are collinear. Slope of B equal to slope of BC. In this one, slope of PQ is equal to slope of QR. Okay, now find this equation. Show that h minus x1 into y2 minus y1 equal to k minus y1 into x2 minus x1. Okay, since the points P of h comma k, Q of x1 comma y1, and R of x2 comma y2 are collinear. Because line on a line means what? Collinear. Okay, we are taking slope of PQ equal to slope of QR. Slope of PQ equal to slope of QR. This means slope of PB equal to slope of BC. Okay. Now slope of PQ. Slope of A comma AB equal to what? Formula. Slope of AB. Y2 minus y100 by x2 minus x1. Slope of AB. Slope of line with the points A and B. Okay, slope of AB equal to y2 minus y100 by x2 minus x1. Okay, slope of PQ. First point, P point is x1 y1, Q point is x2 y2. Okay, x1 minus h, x1 minus h divided by y1 minus k, y1 minus k equal to next slope of QR. Slope of QR same. This is of the form of slope of AB. Slope of AB y2 minus y100 by x2 minus. If this point already x1 y1 x2 y1 y2 minus y1 y2 minus y100 by x2 minus x. Okay. Next, cross multiplication. Now we get the answer. Okay. x1 minus h into x2 minus x1. Okay. Equal to y1 minus k. y1 minus k into y2 minus y1. After that, this equation show that h minus x1, y2 minus y1, k minus y1, x2 minus x1. But in this equation, x1 minus h, we want, in this one is what? H minus x1, this one is same. Okay, y2 minus y1, y1 minus k. y2 minus y1, y1 minus k. Next, x1 minus h, y2 minus y1, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1 divided. Okay, x2 minus x1 means y1 minus k. This one is x1 minus h. Okay, h minus x1, but in this one x1 minus h. We want k minus y1, but in this equation y1 minus k. In both sides minus is common. In this equation you get k minus y1, minus k minus minus plus y1. Okay, this one as it is x2 minus x1 equal to, in this side also in this equation minus is common. Okay, h minus x1 minus h minus into minus plus x1 into y2 minus y1, both minuses cancel. Okay, now we get k minus y1 into x2 minus x1 equal to h minus x1 into y2 minus y1. This minus is cancelled. But we want first h minus x1 into y2 minus y1. A equal to b or b equal to a. H minus x1 into y2 minus y1. H minus x1 into y2 minus y1 equal to k minus y1 into x2 minus x1. Okay, this is the required equation. Okay, first mention the 3 points PQ are lie on a line. Then show that lie on a line means what? Collinear. Now you have to use slope of PQ equal to slope of QR because ABC are collinear. This means slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Slope of PQ, slope of AB formula y2 minus y100 by x2 minus x1 Now y2 y1 minus k y2. This is x1 y1 x2 y2. y2 minus y divided by x2 minus x1. Now slope of QR AB BC means this is of the form BC. Y2 minus y divided by x2 minus x1. Next cross multiplication. But then show that what x minus x1 and k minus y is there in this equation. Y1 minus k and h1 minus x1 minus h is there. In both sides minus is common, then you get k minus y1 and h minus x1. Both sides minus is cancelled then. But first LHS side is what? H minus x1. Write down first. A equal to B or B equal to A. Okay. This is the required equation. Question. Show that the points. Show that the points. Show that the points 1, 1, 3, minus 2, and 5, minus 5 are collinear. Using the concept, using the concept of the slope of the line. Okay. 3 points are correct. Show that these 3 points are already mentioned. Using the concept, the slope of the line. Using the concept, the slope of the line. They use ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Slope of AB equal to slope of BC ಬರ್ಬೇಕು answer. Don't use the distance formula. Only show that these 3 points are collinear. To use distance formula also. Sum of two sides is equal to another one side. AB plus BC is equal to AC. 3 points are collinear, lie on the same line. Or BC plus AC is equal to AB. 3 points are collinear. AC plus AB equal to BC. 3 points are collinear. Okay, area of triangle will be 0. Then 3 points are means what? Collinear. Okay, but in this question mentioned using the concept the slope of the line. Slope of line use ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು collinear ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. Okay. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್? Slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Hence given points are collinear. Okay. Let me mention first that A equal to 1, 1 or ABC ಅಂತ mention ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Now I have to mention first the given points ABC or PQR. Okay. B equal to 3, minus 2 and C point 5, minus 5. If the 3 points A, B, C are collinear, then slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Okay, and then find out quantity. If the points A, B, C are collinear, then it means slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Slope of BC. Okay. Now ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. You know this condition, the points ABC are collinear, then slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Prove this equation. Now find out slope of AB equal to you know this formula, because slope of AB is y2 minus y100 by x2 minus x1. Slope of AB, A point is x1 y1, B point is x2 y2. Okay, y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Okay, 3 minus 2, 1 minus 1 is there. Y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 1. Next 3 minus 1. Now is equal to what? Minus 3 divided by 2. Okay, and slope of BC also. Slope of BC. B point AB. This one also. This is the form of AB. Slope of AB is using x1 y1. This one is x2 y. Y2 minus y1 minus 5 minus of minus 2. Next x2 minus x1 5 minus 3 minus 5. Okay, plus 2 divided by 5 minus 3 2. 5 minus 3 2. 2 minus 5 minus 3. Minus 3 by 2. Therefore, what the slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Therefore, slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Both answers are same. Okay, equal to minus 3 by. Hence, the given points are. Hence, the given points are collinear. Hence, the given points are collinear. Okay. Next question. In figure, okay, already given the diagram. This point is 0, 2. The xy plane is given. Okay. This point 3, 8. Now this point is P, D. Okay. This one is time T. This one distance. Distance D. Okay, distance D. In figure, time and distance time and distance, graph of a linear motion, linear motion, linear motion is given. Okay, stop. Two positions of time, two positions of time, two positions of time and distance are recorded as when t equal to 0, when t equal to 0, comma d is 2. Okay, comma t equal to 0, d is 2. And x-axis means what? Time. Y-axis means what? Distance. Okay, when t equal to 0, d equal to 2. And when t equal to 3 and d equal to 8. Okay, 3 comma 8. Okay, now using the concept of using the concept of flow, using the concept of flow, comma find the law of motion, find the law of motion, that is how distance depends upon time, okay. Solution already given the diagram, okay. In figure, time and distance, time means x-axis, mentioned distance means y-axis. Graph of a linear motion is given. Okay, two positions of time and distance are recorded as when t is 0, d equal to 2, and when t equal to 3, d equal to 8. Okay, using the concept of slope, find law of motion, that is how distance depends upon time. Okay, here we go, distance upon time, last we get the answer. D is find out, d equal to. Okay, how distance depends upon time. Okay, we can do D and find out convector step. Mention observe that this figure, these 3 points are what? Lie on a line. Okay, these 3 points are what? Lie on a line. Lie on a line means what? Collinear. Now, using slope of AB equal to slope of BC, then find out D. Very simple. D, E comma D. Be the point, be any point on the line T comma D. T comma D, X comma Y बदली है T comma D है. Okay, X comma Y replace what? T comma D is there. Be any point on the line. Okay, solution, let T comma D be any point on the line. 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 Where D is the what? Distance at a time T. Where D denotes the what? Where D denotes the distance at a time T. At a time T. At a time T. Okay, the points 0 to 38 T, T comma T. Or you have to mention ABC also. Now we have to mention A, B, C points. These 3 points are collinear, lie on the same line. Okay, the points 0 to 38, 8D are collinear. Okay, are collinear. Now we have to mention A. Not directly here. 0 to B point 3 comma A and C point T comma D are collinear. Are collinear. Collinear means already mentioned using the concept of slope. Okay, using the concept of slope. That is slope of AB equal to slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Okay, this implies slope of AB. You know this slope of AB formula? Slope of AB equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, slope of the line joining the points 2 points is given by what? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1, x1 this is y1, x2 y1. 8 minus 2 divided by 3 minus 0 equal to slope of BC. This one is x1 y1, x2 y2, d minus 8, y2 minus y1, d minus 8, t minus 3. Now we have to find the value of d. How distance depends upon time. Okay, 8 minus 2, 6. Okay, 6 by 3 is equal to d minus 8 divided by d minus 3. 3 into 1. Okay, 3 by 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is 2 is equal to d minus 8 divided by d minus 3. This implies t minus 3 into 2. Okay, 2 into t minus 3 equal to d minus 8. Okay, now 2t minus 6 equal to d minus 8. 2t minus 8 this side plus 8. Okay, 8 minus 6 equal to d minus. Okay, 2t minus 6 plus 8 equal to d. 2t minus 8 minus 6 is 2 equal to d. Therefore, d equal to 2t plus 2. 2 is common. T plus 1. This is the required relation. How distance depends upon t. D is 2 into t plus 1, which is the required relation. Okay, this is the answer. This is the required relation. Which is the required relation. Which is the required relation. Okay. Next we'll start exercise 10.1. Okay. These are the solved examples. 1, 2, 3. Next, exercise 10.1. Okay, 10.1 first slope of a line. Slope of a line is what? M is equal to tan theta. Angle is given, then find out slope. Inclination is given. 2 points are given, then find out slope. Y2 minus y100 by x2 minus x. Next concept another. Two lines are parallel, two lines are perpendicular. Next angle between two lines. Next 3 points are collinear using the slope of line. Okay. First question. Draw first question. Draw a quadrilateral. Draw a quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane. In the Cartesian plane or coordinate plane, xy plane. Okay, whose vertices are whose vertices whose vertices are minus 4 comma 5, 0 comma 7, 5 comma minus 5, 8 and minus 4 comma minus 2. Okay. Also find its area. Also find its area. Also find its area. Okay. First we will draw a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means what? Four-sided figure. Okay. First we mention the point series. A minus 4 comma 5, B 0 comma 7, C 5 comma minus 5, and D minus 4 comma minus 2. Okay. First draw a quadrilateral in the what? Cartesian plane, xy plane. Okay. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Taking minus. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Okay, O dash. O dash means what? Negative values. OX dash negative values. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. First you have to mention first point. Minus 4 comma 5. My x is negative, y is positive. Lies on which quadrant? Second quadrant. In second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. Okay. Now A point is minus 4 comma 5. Lies on second quadrant. Minus 4. X is minus 4. Y is plus 5. This point. Okay. This point is A. Okay. Minus 4 comma 5. minus 4 comma 5. Next B point 0 comma 7. B point is what? 0 comma 7. 0 comma 7. Okay. X coordinate is 0. Second point is what? 0 comma 7. Now 0 comma 7. 0 comma 7. X coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 7. X coordinate is 0. Which in x axis y coordinate is 0. Okay. In y axis x coordinate is 0. Now this A point minus 4 comma. Okay. Now B point 0 comma 7. Now I have to mention anyone. You have to take this point 0 comma 7 5 comma. Now we are taking 0 comma 7 comma 0. This point is 7 comma 0. 0 comma 7. Okay. Use the pointer. Three, four. Now I'm taking the points 5, 6, 7. Next 5 comma 5, 5 comma minus 5. X coordinate is 5. Next C point 5 comma minus 5. 5 comma minus 5 is what? X is 5. X is negative, Y is positive. X is positive, Y is negative in this one. Okay, minus 5 comma minus 5. This point. C. Next D point minus 4 comma D point. A point, B point changes 7 comma 0. 7 comma 0. Not this one. Okay. This one B point. Now join okay, this point is D. D point minus both are negative. Join this. D point. B point 0 7. Next is 0 comma 0 comma 7. 7 comma 7. 0 comma 7. Next. Is 0. That is correct. B point 0 comma 7. 0 comma 7. This one 0 comma 7. X coordinate 7 comma 0. 7. Check it with anyone. 7 comma 0. 7 comma 0. Okay. 7 in x axis, y coordinate is 0. Okay. B point 7 comma 0. This is what? Quadrilateral. Okay. Now also find its area. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Okay, also find its area. Okay, now we have to find out area ABCD equal to area ABCD equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle AC. Area of triangle AC. You know the formula next. Area of triangle ABC formula 1 by 2 into x1 into. Now I have to use the formula. Okay. Now using the formula, area of triangle whose vertices are there. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus, this is equation 1, x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Using this formula, then find out area of triangle ABC and area of triangle AC. Okay, or separate you have to take this area of triangle ABC. E is equal to 1 by 2 into first x1 means, okay, x1 means what? Minus 4 comma 5 x1 y1. X1 is minus 4. Next y2 minus y3. Y2 minus y3. This one is x1 y1. X2 y2. Next x3 y3. Okay. Y2 minus y3. 1 2. 0 minus into minus plus 5. 0 minus into minus plus 5. Plus x2. X2 is what? 7 plus 7. Y3 minus y1. Minus 5 minus 5. Okay. Plus x3. X3 is 5. Y1 minus y2. 5 minus 0. Okay. This one. x1 1 2 3. Next 2 3 1. 3 1 2. Okay. Y2 minus y3. 0 minus into minus plus 1. Okay. Next term x2 is 7. Y3 minus y1 minus 5 minus plus x3. x3 is 5. x3 is 5. Next term y1 minus y2. 5 minus 0. y1 minus y2. 1 by 2 into minus 4 into 5 minus 20. Next term minus 5 minus 10. 10 into 7 minus 70 plus 25. Okay. Now minus 20 minus 70 minus 90 minus 90. Okay. Minus 90 plus 25 minus 90 plus 70 plus 25. Now we get 65. Okay. 60 modulus of minus 65. 25 minus 90. Okay. Divided by 2. 65 divided by 2. This is area of triangle ABC. Area ABC. Area ABC is equal to what? 1 by 2 into this one. 65 divided by 2. Okay. Now we will get 1 by 2 x1 is what? Minus 4. Next y2 minus y3. 0 minus y2 is 0 minus 5 plus 20. Next x2 is 7, y3 minus y1 minus 5 minus 5. Yes, x3 is 5, y1 minus y2 5 minus 0. Yes, plus 20 is 20 plus 70. Now 20 minus 7. Next is minus 10. 7 into minus 10 minus 70. 5 to 5 20. Next 20 minus 70, now we get 20. 0 minus 5, y2 minus y3. y2 minus y3, no? 0 minus plus 5. Okay, rest correct. 65 by 2. Okay, check it once again. Minus 5 into 4, 5, minus 4 into 5, minus 20, minus 10, 10 into 7, minus 70, 5 into 5, 20. y1 minus y2, 5 minus 0, 5 into 5, 20. X1 is this one, minus 20. This one is y2 minus y3. y2 is 0, minus y3 is minus 5. Okay. Area of triangle ABC is equal to what? 65 by 2. Correct? Next up, got to find out area of triangle ACD. B point another minus 4 comma minus 2. C point 5 comma minus 5 comma minus 1. Next, we have to find out area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ACD. Same. ACD. This one x1 y1, x2 y1, x3 y3. Okay, same using the formula 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 65, correct this? Minus 20 minus 90. 90 minus 25 minus 90. Correct? Next. Area of triangle ACD is equal to x1 into x1 is what? Minus 4. Same. Next y2 minus y3. y2 is what? Minus 5. Minus into minus plus 2. Next plus x2. x2 is what? 5. Next y3 minus next y3 minus y1. y3 is minus 2 minus y1 is 5 plus x3. x3 is minus 4 minus 4. Next y1 minus y2. y1 is 5 minus y2. y2 is minus 5 minus into minus plus 5. Okay. 1 by 2 into minus 4 into 2 minus 5 minus 3, 5 into minus 7, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 into minus 4 minus 4 into 10. Okay. 1 by 2 into minus 12, minus 35, minus into minus plus 12, minus 35, minus 40. Now modulus of negative is plus. Okay. Now 12 minus 35 minus 40. 1 by 2 into 12 minus 35 minus 40. Next is minus 12 minus 75. Okay. Now 12 minus 75. Okay. 50 minus 50 divided by 12 modulus is plus 53 divided by this is what quadrilateral four-sided figure. Okay. Next, adding these two area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ACD. equation 1 implies area of ABCD equal to area of triangle ABC 65 divided by 2 plus area of triangle ACD. Area of triangle ACD is 53 divided by 2. Now we'll get 2 is LCM. 2 is LCM. Okay. 65 plus 53, 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 5, 120. 118 divided by. Now cancel. 2 is LCM. 65 plus 53, 8, 1, 1. Right? Okay, square units are 2 into 5, 2 into 5, 2 into 59 square units. 59 square units. Okay, this is the answer. Area of triangle ABC plus. First we'll draw quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane. First we'll draw the quadrilateral. After that you have to find out area. Okay, area ABCD. Area of ABCD. So this figure now we get area of ABC plus area of ACD. Now we get the required area. Square units. Next class we will discuss next problems. Okay, thank you.